Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to turn on or off timer on Snapchat. So let's get started. On Snapchat, the timer feature is primarily used for setting a duration for snaps and chats or enabling a self-timer for capturing photos hand-free. So firstly, all you have to do is open Snapchat on your mobile device. Once opened, on your right side, you can see the down arrow option available in the top. Simply tap on the down arrow and there you will get to see a timer icon, a stopwatch. Then choose the countdown duration, example 3 seconds or 10 seconds. You can see that countdown duration option available on your screen after a long press on it. After you choose one, all you have to do is set timer option available there. Simply tap on it and press the shutter button and Snapchat will count down before capturing the photo. So in order to deselect it, all you have to do is tap on the timer option and you can see the off option available there. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.